Hey guys, it's Violet's Crafts, and today I'm going to be remaking my very first YouTube video, DIY Bubble Tea Slime. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you all so much for 100 subscribers. To make this slime DIY, you will need a bowl and something to mix with, shaving cream, some lotion of whatever scent you want, of course, PVA glue, activator. I'm using a stronger activator. It's 1 teaspoon of borax to a cup of water, food coloring, containers, and optional, but I'm using scent. You will also need some kind of beads to use for the bubbles or the tapioca. I'm going to be using these small black ones. I'm going to be making 2 different scents, pineapple and strawberry. So to begin, pour as much glue as you need to fill up your container into your bowl. Next, you're going to need to add some shaving cream. Now, since I'm making 2 batches, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up and then separate it into 2 bowls. Now that I split the glue and shaving cream mixture into 2 bowls, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. At this point in time, you're going to want to add your lotion. I'm going to make the one on the right pineapple and the one on the left strawberry. I added my lotion to both of these slimes, and now you're going to go ahead and mix this up. After you mix the lotion in, go ahead and add your food coloring. After you add the food coloring, if you opted to add scent, go ahead and add it now. Mix until you get your desired color. I mixed and added in the food coloring, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my strawberry scent to the pink slime. Once you have mixed in your food coloring and all of the scent, go ahead and activate. Add a little bit at a time until the slime comes together. After fully activating both of the slimes, you can go ahead and make sure that they fit in your container. After that, we will go ahead and mix in the beads. After filling both of the containers, I had some leftover slime, which I'm going to mix and save for later. The leftover turned out to be this pretty orange color. Now, I'm going to take my beads, or boba, and sprinkle them on top of the slime. And mix the beads in, and it'll take a while for all the beads to sink to the bottom, but once they do, it will look like real bubble tea. After mixing the beads into both the pineapple and strawberry bubble tea, here's what they look like. This recipe makes a really soft slime, and I really enjoy the texture. I like the way that the beads make it feel, and I think that it looks really cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.